Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Deepshika here and I hope you all are doing good. नमस्ते, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और आशा करती हूँ आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे. तो व्यूअर्स, आज आपकी रीडिंग है फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30 days, upcoming 30 days, and you can definitely watch this reading as per your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, या फिर आप अपने नाम के राशि के हिसाब से भी देख सकते हैं रीडिंग, ठीक है. And do connect with me on Instagram, or in case you would like to book a private reading with me, the link to everything is given in the description box. Okay, so let's get started with your reading, my dear Leos. देखते हैं आपके लिए क्या आ रहा है for the next 30 days. Okay, very excited to do your reading. And yeah, so we have 3 oracle messages here for you. The first oracle message what we have for you is very beautiful. A new start is coming, so very amazing if you are waiting for a new start, a new career or a new love relationship, or a new partner in business, or in your personal life. Then definitely something new will start in July, in the upcoming 30 days for you, my dear Leos. And it's a very beautiful card. Definitely अगर आप वेट कर रहे हैं किसी न्यू स्टार्ट का, तो ये एक ये एक इंडिकेशन है कि ये न्यू स्टार्ट आ रहा है आपकी ज़िंदगी में, ठीक है. एंड वी हैव 2 more oracle messages. It's time to release negativity. So definitely थोड़ी बहुत, आई नो दैट आप कितने भी पॉजिटिव हों, कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो थोड़ी नेगेटिव होती हैं, ठीक है. और वही नेगेटिविटी आपको रिलीज़ करनी है अपने से, ठीक है. यू कुड बी सराउंडेड बाय अ लिटिल नेगेटिव पीपल, और योर थॉट्स आर अ लिटिल नेगेटिव, जो कि नहीं होने चाहिए. सो ट्राई एंड बी अ लिटिल पॉजिटिव एंड थिंक पॉजिटिव रिगार्डिंग whatever is going in your life right now. So yeah, this is the advice for you. It's time to release a lot of negativity, a lot of मेरे हिसाब से this is very related to a mindset kind of a thing what I'm getting right now for you. And you are good enough. So definitely it's about I think you're doubting yourself. आप बहुत डाउट कर रहे हैं अपने आप को कि मैं ये कर पाऊँगा कि ये नहीं कर पाऊँगा. आई थिंक दिस इज़ वेरी मच रिलेटेड टू अ बिजनेस थिंग, और अ न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, और अ न्यू जॉब, समथिंग प्रोफेशनली what I see over here for you, my dear Leos. Okay, and you are good enough. Basically आप अपने आप को ऐसे मत होने दीजिए कि you are under confident, और you think कि ये आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, और मतलब आप डाउट मत करिए अपने आप को, ठीक है. सो स्टॉप डाउटिंग योर सेल्फ, एंड यू आर वेरी मच इनफ, एंड रिलीज द नेगेटिविटी. आई थिंक दिस नेगेटिविटी इज़ ऑल्सो बिकॉज ये जो आपके सेल्फ डाउट वाले पैटर्न्स, सेल्फ डाउट वाले थाट्स आ रहे हैं. सो लेट दैट गो. इफ़ ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि लोग आपको डाउट करें, विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट, विल यू बी just calm down and tell them also that yeah, you will be able to do it, because you have to believe in yourself. All right. And yeah, so let's get into the other cards. These were the oracle messages. So अब देखते हैं आपके दूसरे cards क्या हैं. Okay, so I want you to plan, with this card. You need to plan ahead with whatever situations you are planning to go ahead with. Planning is very much required. प्लान करें, उसके बाद ही अपने आप आगे बढ़ें. कुछ भी रैंडमली ऐसे मत उठा लीजिए कि मुझे ये कर लेना चाहिए अभी, या कुछ और कर लेना चाहिए. नो, यू शुड प्लान अहेड, ओके, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग और बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग. ओके. एंड I want to tell you something. If you are dealing with somebody here, if you are in a partnership, if you are very close to somebody here is a two-faced friend. It could be anybody. It could be your some friend or relative. It shows as a friend, but for me it could be anybody here. Okay. And ये कोई भी हो सकता है। तो ये आपका टू फेस्ड फ्रेंड है जो दिखाता कुछ और है पर है कुछ और, जो आपके सामने बहुत ही अच्छे बनते हैं बट आपके पीठ पीछे यू नो वो आपके लिए गॉसिप कर रहे हैं, दे आर गॉसिपिंग अबाउट यू। सो इनसे बहुत आपको अच्छे से मतलब सोच समझ के आप मतलब वो करें, डील करें। ये कोई भी हो सकता है, दिस कुड बी अ पर्सन इन योर if you work somewhere in a I don't know, I'm getting IT suddenly. If you're working in a team, especially I'm getting IT, I don't know why it is specifically for somebody because I'm getting this message, okay? So आपकी टीम में और there is somebody who's working against you, so make sure you put you are clear, you are planning what are you doing with this card, okay? You plan whatever you are doing, you plan your steps basically, and beware of all these kinds of people and do not trust just randomly do, and do not share your plans openly with other people, especially your somebody if you're working in a team member in a team, so to a member basically, okay? And yeah, you will be receiving a gift in the upcoming time. So this is a very beautiful card. You will be receiving a small or a big, any type of a gift, what I want to say. And कोई भी आपको गिफ्ट कर सकता है, ये आपके फैमिली में फ्रेंड है, कोई गिफ्ट एज इन गिफ्ट भी हो सकता है। एंड आई वॉन्ट टू टेल you one thing, that this is another beautiful card for you, okay? And this says something important, such as a news or such as a new job or a raise. If you are looking for a job right now, I want to say definitely a good news is coming your way, okay Leos? And ये एक बहुत ही लवली स्टार्ट होगा आपके लिए, ओके? आई एम एक्चुअली गेटिंग इट। एंड ये एक तरीके का गिफ्ट जो बोल रही हूँ ना मैं, ये एक गिफ्ट ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि somebody is gifting you something related to money also, और you got promoted, आपको promotion मिलने वाला है maybe in the upcoming time. So I think very beautiful cards for you, my dear Leos. And money is coming in. If definitely this whole scenario what I see here is a very beautiful card, a very beautiful start. If you have already started something new, or if you have कुछ अभी आपने अभी शुरू किया है, या फिर आप किसी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, या फिर अगर आपका अपना कुछ है business, so definitely money is coming in. You will be there will be profits coming in. And very lovely card. July is definitely a good month for you financially and professionally, I want to say. And family matters, you could be dealing with somebody in your family. कुछ family matters होंगी जिसके बारे में आप deal करेंगे आपने in next 30 days में, okay? And if you are in a difficult situation right now, I want to say that the difficult part is over. The most difficult part of whatever you are dealing with is over, and definitely a good news is coming your way. एक जो भी एक difficult part था वो over हो चुका है, and rainbow, wow, so very lovely cards. So I want to say that you could be dealing with a woman, okay? Okay, listen, ये जो आपको न्यू ऑफ़र आ रहा है, ये ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये एक आपको एक वुमेन के थ्रू मिले, या जिनसे भी आप जो आपके पार्टनर होंगे या फिर जो भी कोई होंगे, शी विल बी अ वुमेन, ऑलराइट? एंड or this can be something that your two-faced friend is a woman. So make sure whatever जो भी आपसे resonate हो रहा है अभी, तो be careful with this, okay? If this is for a two-faced friend, so be careful with this, okay? And you will be playing a different role in the upcoming time. So it is possible that you in the new opportunities which is coming for you, ये एक ये इसमें आपका एक रोल ही डिफरेंट हो. Whatever you are doing now professionally or what you were doing professionally earlier, this could be a little or totally different role for you, and it will be very very exciting for you. You will be nervous, or you are nervous right now, but things will go, you know, in a very smooth way. It will be very very exciting for you. So very lovely cards, I would say, my dear Leos. So this is what I have for you, my dear Leos. I hope this reading resonated with you, and please do give a like and subscribe to my channel, all right? And do comment below your anything that you're grateful for in your life, okay? And thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for being here. Have a great month ahead, and bye bye and take care.